Okay, we just got this new Hibbent bathroom sink strainer and stopper, and I put it in there, and it wasn't any kind of installation, but I did want to show you how it holds the water in there. And then to release the water, you just push that, and then it just pops up the little and lets the water drain out of there. But what's really cool about this is it has a little basket underneath. As soon as the water drains out, I'll show you, there's a little basket underneath that kind of just grabs anything that goes down the drain that you might want to keep, like if your necklace or your chain went down there or something. You just pull this straight out. Installation is super easy because all you do is put it in there, and the little silicone just holds on to the sides there, so it just goes straight in like that, and then you just go like that to seal it and go like that to not. But then you just pull this out of there to get into it, and then this little basket comes right off, right straight off like that. Oh, I managed to do it with one hand, but anyway. And then like if you lost anything in there, like a little chain or something like that, then you could get it all cleaned out, and then you put it back together and then put it back in there. So I'm going to put it back together with two hands here in a second. But anyway, yeah, they sent that to us so we could show it to you. So pretty, I like it. It's pretty cool. We've had one of their kitchen sink drain strainers too that we use all the time, and it works the same way. You just like pop it down into the drain. You don't have to do anything to install it because the little silicone seals just kind of hold it into place. So yeah, good stuff.